Have you ever paused to listen to the songs of the birds calling you to connect with nature? The Nigerian Bird Atlas Project, NiBAP, in collaboration with the Faculty of Biological Sciences, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, invites you to an enlightening seminar and the inauguration of the Nsukka Bird Club. Date: Friday, 31st October 2025. Venue: Faculty of Biological Sciences Lecture Theatre. Time is 11 a.m. Guest speaker: Professor Ulf Otterson from AP Leventis Ornithological Research Institute, Aplori, University of Jos. Host: Professor V.C. Ejere, Dean, Faculty of Biological Sciences, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. There would also be a birdwatching experience on Saturday, 1st November 2025. Meeting point is Jimba's Quadrangle, UNN. Time 7 a.m. Be part of this exciting movement to promote birdwatching, research and conservation in Eastern Nigeria. NiBAP, inspiring connection, conservation and community.